Aceretech Advanced Precision Machining Base Center has officially been put into service. Covering an area of 12,600 square meters, it boasts a standardized machining workshop. We provide full custom design solutions for clients, adopting industry-leading technologies. We carry out sophisticated processes, including weld seam grinding and standardized sandblasting, equipped with complete in-house processing machinery. We accomplish independent production covering R&D, CNC machining, and finished product delivery with full process quality control.